Where are you?
Buksa is to be. Masyadong naked si Bakla.
Saan na yung brush? Saan yung ano? Yung left.
Nagana ba ito siya?
Saan yung keme? Parang palet na atake.
Yes.
Wiz yung ano? Skull. Ay, dope.
Girl, ay dito talaga. Hello, my loves. Wait lang. Nagmamadali kami. Okay, so I can't read comments that much. See you, crib. See you, UP. Charit lang. Sino taga-UP ba dyan? Sorry. Hindi ko nga na-promote. Oh my God.
Oh my god, ilan na. This is so scary.
Back to work siya. Totoo.
Totoo.
Trabaho tayo.
Trabaho.
Dapat may magbayad ng back.
Nakamute siya. Ay, nakamute ka daw. Or siya lang. Baka nakasilent na yung phone niya.
Is this gaslighting? Gagawin yung trust issues talaga nag-leak online. Charis.
Go eyeliner.
Do you want ano? Yung parang liquid.
May liquid.
Okay.
Carry lang. Much better.
Saan mo yung
Para
reach?
hindi ako. Precise by
Reach?
chart.
Ito. Oh, Reach is cunty. Get ready with me.
Totoo! Si Acid.
Oo, siya nag-eyeshadow sa
Totoo.
akin kasi I am what? Unpaid. So, charot lang.
Go. Pero hindi siya nag-ano sa ano, eyeliner.
Real?
Nag-ano siya sa shadow. Right?
Oh my God, what?
Go carry na to.
Get ready with me. What is this about? Bakit hindi siya nag-aan?
Go carry na to. Iset na lang.
Charis. Hello. Wait lang. Charis.
Eyeliner. Graphic liner. Bawal
Walang
magulo.
hihinga, everybody.
I hate. I'm shaking. Ano, coffee talaga.
Droga is to me.
Let's clean it.
Trabahong case today.
Puliin mo daw siya.
Wait lang. Wait kayo. Nag-eyeliner yung tao.
Bitch, how does that work? I don't think.
I feel like above the crease kasi magpupagsa siya sa...
Right? Dapat hindi siya abot sa crease. Para pag dumidilat ka.
Coffee is cheers. Kaon ka na lang. With... Hala, speaking of... speak... Okay. 2 p.m. pa yung pagkain. Wait, mga tao. Yes. Dapat pala sa TikTok ako nag-ano eh.
Right. Okay, lipat.
Ay, hindi. Nakaubad ako. Sasabihin na naman nila nudity. Nudity who? Nudity where? Tangina, binabae ng mga... Nudity, ano to? Angeline, happy birthday, my love. Oh.
Wow. Hindi na laminated yung brows. Like, it needs to be flat. Not siya.
Tsaka, Mia was about rusty makeup. Tsaka,
Kiel.
sino nagme-makeup sa Yumi? Yung nakshi ko, si Acid. Acid Dream on IG. Yes, look. Follow na. Bakit sa mga ayaw niya ito, bitch? Yes. Sino ba pupunta ng Disney ito? Sinaksak pala ako dun. Mali. Kiri na to, eyeliner na lang to. Si Tamal.
What's the give?
San Atashi, Taguig. Pero I'll be at UP Diliman later. Tapos crib. And then back to UP. Trabaho talaga si Bakla today. Mali. 2 gigs in 1 day. Sobrang Lady Gaga. Putang ina talaga nitong babaeng to. Lady Gaga gig talaga today. Huwag mga kwartehan. Ano event mo ma? I'll be at UP as a judge. Tapos magpe-perform din sa UP. And then we're gonna go to Crib for the Mayhem. I don't even know the gigs right now, honestly. All I know is magpe-perform twice and mag-judge sa UP ko. Hindi ko pa na-chika yung manager ko. Sorry na. Sino kasama mo? Si Acid, may daughter. Tapos yung manager ko later, kasama ko din. Ano yan? Bakit ginagawa ko?
Wala na. For the sounds.
For the vibes.
Bobo,
ASMR.
mali.
What do you mean?
May wipes ka. Ay,
Wala tayong pinapatunayan.
like, why does it look? Kung mali.
Mayhem. Charis. Mayhem yan, bakla. Charis.
Because yung eyeliner, it's not working as it should. Sa baba mismo.
Lang. Kasi nag-call. Yeah.
Hello?
Nice. Frozen is killing. We're back. Aray, okay ng inang Rose. Yeah. Pwede ba mag-music attach ito?
Baka lang ano tayo.
Mapubuksa. You know what?
Spotify? Ay, hindi ako naka-premium Spotify. Apple Music Attache.
Lo-fi atake.
Eh.
Para hindi mabahan. Charis.
Listen. Feel your energy.
Zen tayo today.
Right? Parang medyo nag-vibe nga siya sa look.
But may dirty factor.
Can we got here, you think? Pag ano?
Eyeliner. Charis. Tapos hindi pala mag-eyeliner. Ay, hindi pa rin, wala naman siya eyeliner, di ba?
Right, wala siya eyeliner. Actually, wala.
Babaan.
Hindi ka siya
I think mag-change siya pag may eyelashes.
Right, oo. Wala ka siya eyelashes eh.
Exactly.
Sana pag ano. Hindi ko lang naman sa smudge kasi hindi off.
It is.
Oo.
I feel like
Iset na ba natin muna? I think.
I don't care for the smudge. Honestly,
Totoo?
fantasy ko siya.
Yo.
Yung dirtiness a bit. Kasi may hamins about dirtiness. Where you going? I'm gonna be at UP and Crib. Go. Hindi ko pinomote yung event, so I'm just here for the check. Kemi, go. Hello, my loves. Sino ba to? Who the fuck? OGT right now, Metro. Go. Okay, Nabacolod. I'm gonna be there 17 to 20. But kukuha lang ako ng looks, yung mga drag to exhibit here sa Manila. So that's that. What's your blush? Is that blush? Wait, hold up. Magandang green nga siya. Kay babae ata. I think it's from Lovely Cosmetics. I'm not so sure. It is siya. Lovely Cosmetics in the shade A Moment. But this is a filter, so I will remove the filter, which that's a filter. This is the shade. I don't wear blush that much because
He doesn't need
I'm
it.
not a clown. Charot lang. I'm not a clown like the other girls. So what do we need? So there's acid. Mag-graduate to acid dream on IG. Hindi pa talaga tayo nag-shoot. I fucking can't.
Paano ko in-achieve yun? Okay, pagano pala. This one. Or parang stud na lang.
Kidding me. Mabilis siya gawin. Honestly, yung drag race, ganun ginawa ko kasi effect siya agad. And you have like 1 to 2 minutes.
Right.
Like the dots are so comfy. Tapos mabilis siya gawin. Tapos effect siya agad. With my 2 brushes. I feel like i-display ko yung dalawang brushes.
The main.
For drag race. Ay, for the exhibit. Ano siya?
Parang init. Teka.
I feel like this is the one. This is 1 brush. Sa 2 brushes and a green. Attack. That was 2 Anastasia brushes. 2 blending brushes. The 2 blending brushes to save my life during my run. Putang inasan yung isa. Oh my god. Is she done? Done with the wind?
Bawal na wala. Maganda pa may ano. Dots. Parang vulnerable.
Bakit parang nawala yung isang brush? Isa lang na brush.
Ang tsura nung under eye.
Ay, ito siya. Oh my god. Ito yung dalawang brushes that I had sa Drag Race for blending my eyeshadow. These 2 brushes will be displayed. Kailangan siya mag-frame, honestly. I need to frame them and stop using them at this point. Hello, Erica, my love. How are you?
Hmm?